Oh my gosh, guys. The best Nutella recipe in the world. Absolutely, absolutely amazing. You have to try this out. Make sure to go and watch this video right now. Hello everybody, and how are you guys doing? Today I want to share with you something really different than usually, which is the best Nutella recipe in the world. And I literally only found this recipe yesterday, and I was actually on the platform TikTok, and I was looking at different videos as I usually do for research. And then I saw this video and was like, okay, research aside, let's try this recipe. It's really, really good. So I quickly want to show you guys this video as I'm already preparing and showing you guys how you can do this too in under 10 minutes. So have a look at this quick video.
Alright guys, so I'm about to make some Nutella French toast. If you like Nutella, watch this. You will not regret making this, I promise you. So first you just want to roll some bread with a rolling pin. And then you're going to cut all the crust off of your bread. And then just spread some Nutella on one side of each piece of bread. And then you're going to just go ahead and roll each piece of bread up. So that it's like this. Then you're going to crack. Oh my god, that did not work. Just crack an egg into a bowl. Then just whisk it all up. Roll each piece of bread in the egg. And then place it in a hot pan with some melted butter. And you're just going to cook them until they're nice and golden brown like this. Then just mix some cinnamon and sugar on a plate and roll them in that. And then just cut them up and enjoy.
Okay, so right now we're here. I already did a little bit of the pre-work. As you can see, I've already got the egg in here, the pre-prepared sandwiches, or I'd say bread with the Nutella on it. And in here there's a pan that's already getting ready for baking the Nutella sandwiches, or the Nutella cool stuff thingies. So first of all, I want to ask you guys, comment below what you guys think about Nutella. That's the first thing. And secondly, will you try this at home? That's the most important thing. If you like Nutella, question number one. And secondly, will you try this one at home? Because I literally saw this yesterday, and yeah, I'm very much looking forward to tasting this. But aside from that, I also want to show you guys something else, because those of you who have been following me for longer, there you go. Know that I always share different things about social media, and how you can utilize social media to, help and add value to people, how you can use it to, build your business, build relationship with people, and then use that to monetize. And right now you guys see me make a cooking video, but there's actually a point of learning to that, and I want you guys to comment that below, especially those of you who are part of our Smile family. Comment #smile below. But the reason why I am showing this, which is quite different than my usual video topics, which are business, and which is marketing and things that can actually allow you to make more money and get more clients and get more profit into your business. This video is more like a, how do you say, it's a different type of video. It is a relationship building video, which is crucial if you want to really allow yourself to build a big brand. So that's one of the things that I always share with my clients and all of our amazing smilers as well.
All right,
but
guys,
aside from that, there's another thing that I am doing within this video, and I just wonder if you guys can guess what it is, what I'm showing you guys with this video. Comment below if you guys can guess it, and what does that have to do with business? Do let me know. But aside from that, I'm also very much looking forward to hear your comments about Nutella and about whether you are going to make this recipe as well. So do let me know. There we go. Do you guys know what it is that I am doing in particularly here and what that has to do with business? And will you guys make this recipe for yourselves as well? By the way, this is the first time that I'm making this recipe. And I'm actually looking, I can't see the comments. There usually is a delay as well, so I won't be able to see it, as I am actually sharing this video as well in different places, so I can't see all the comments just yet. But do comment. There we go. So as you guys can see, it's now here in the pan. The Nutella is getting ready, and if I have listened well to the video, it says that it has to be in here until it's golden brown. So let's see. And I'm not sure what the timing is right now, but I think we're still under 10 minutes, as I promised. So, what is the thing? Do you guys know what is the marketing part of this? Now, you might have already answered, I can't see it. What are you making, Pamela is asking. I'm making the best Nutella recipe. I forgot what the name was, but it is something with Nutella, with egg, and sandwich. And it's like until it's golden brown. So you guys will be able to see what the finalized product is, and I'll be tasting it live as well to see if it's actually good. But yeah, let me just answer the question as well for those of you who are interested in implementing these kind of things. There's also another thing that I'm doing with this video, which is basically showing you guys a Facebook Live in a very different way than most people do, right? There's some multiple screens set up. I'm basically able to organize everything just by myself, right? There's only limited means by which I do it, but it allows for a very different experience with Facebook marketing, because, or just organic Facebook in this case. And then obviously after that you can boost it and share it with more people and allow it to, how do you say, kind of jump in the attention or get the attention. But the thing is that because it is so different with the multiple screens and the multiple cameras and with the intro video, it kind of looks more like a show, which does a lot of cool things. It helps in earning the right. It helps in giving that experience as if you're there. But aside from that, it also allows you to have this, and this is very important for those of you who are serious about your business, do comment this below and write it down for yourself, is the snappiness. Because people these days especially, like we have the attention span less than a goldfish, and yeah, we do need to do clever things to allow our audience to stay with us, allow our audience to keep listening to the value that you have, and therefore stand out from your competitors. And that's basically one of the things that we're doing here as well. I can see there's a lot of steam coming from this. Is because I usually put this thing on, but I think it would make too much noise for the video. Oh, maybe it's okay. So let me just see. Amazing, Vanna saying nice. Thank you guys all for joining as well. So aside from that, I just want to say as well, for those of you who like this type of stuff, those of you who are interested again in using social media in order to grow your brand, basically allow you to be visible to more people, therefore also allow you to make more sales and get more leads for your business, then I have a free group which is called the Smile Group. Smile stands for Social Media Lifestyle Entrepreneurs. And this is the most amazing, well, maybe I'm saying the most amazing because I'm part of it, and this is our group. And there's entrepreneurs there from all around the world. Everybody's sharing value, sharing tips and tricks, but most importantly, everybody's there to support one another. Let me just turn this off for a second. To support one another, because like when it comes to entrepreneurship, or when it comes to freedom lifestyle, that is the type of lifestyle that only the minority of this world is living. And so what a lot of people face whenever they go into business and into entrepreneurship and creating a lifestyle for themselves that is so cool and allows you to just travel the world and just work on a laptop and a phone and still be able to make a lot of money and help a lot of people. Most people, tend to say to one another like, "Oh, you're crazy. Why do you think you can do this, right?" And therefore, support is already shown to be one of the most important things. Like finding a mentor, having a peer group, being able to mastermind with people, share your ideas, bounce off ideas, get new ideas, but also stay, up to date with the latest tips and tricks and strategies or things that work in business. That's key, and that's why I created this group. And the people in there are they're putting a smile on my face every single day. It's so amazing. So if you're also interested in joining that group, comment the word smile below, and we'll send you an invite. We'll be sending you a message over Messenger, and then you'll be able to join the group all free of charge. It's really, like I said before, we do a lot of trainings in there. We give resources and just allow people to grow and explore this world of entrepreneurship. So I think it is kind of ready. It's kind of very ready, almost too much. So I'm going to show you guys the end result. It's still a bit steamy. Let me just put them here. I'll just do one in here. The best looking one. So, just putting it on the plate. Are you guys ready? Do you guys think it tastes well or tastes good? I sure hope so. So, let me present to you. So, do apologize. The board is filled with Nutella a little bit. But this is the end result. I hope you guys can see it as well. And now, I'm going to give it a taste. So, let's try this. If you guys like it, then do send some love my way. Comment or click on the love button or the love hearts. There we go. Alright. So, this is basically how it looks. There we go. Moment of truth. I'm gonna taste it. It's really good. Oh my god. Big ones for some too. Oh. It's really good. So this is definitely, sorry. This is definitely a do try this at home. It tastes really good. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy eating this. So if you thought this video was useful in any way, or just wanna spread this recipe with more people, or spread the learnings from this video, then do feel very free to hit the share button. Also, please feel very free to hit the love button. But most importantly, if you also want to stay up to date with all kinds of different learnings, or for example what technology I use in order to produce this video, do let me know by typing smile below, and then we'll send you an invite through Messenger for you to be able to join our smile group, our social media lifestyle entrepreneurs group. But other than that, I want to wish you an amazing rest of the day, and catch you guys again tomorrow on another episode of Tjibaria's Daily Show. Bye!